this drawing sheet is actually a plane, and the other is your turn now to tell me. The first one, that is ray, the sound rays, is actually a ray. Now the other one, that is this pitch of a cricket ground, is actually a line segment because we can measure its length, and the boundary of this pitch is extended endlessly in the direction is actually a line. Now we are going to learn about different types of line. The first is intersecting line. Intersecting lines are two lines that share exactly one point. Here you can see that there are two lines L and M, and these two lines are sharing one common point, that which is P. So these lines are known as intersecting lines as they are sharing one point, and the shared point is called the point of intersection. So here the point of intersection is point P. Let's look at the example. Here you can see that the two parts are crossing each other. So, but in this two cross part, you can see that the both are meeting in one single point. So this point is called point of intersection, and the two parts, they are called intersecting lines. The other line is parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines in a plane which do not meet. So you can see firstly that there are two lines. First is PQ and other is RS, and these two lines are not meeting each other, and they are not having any point common in with them. Parallel lines are always same distance apart from each other. So here you can see that it is same distance in wherever point, from wherever you just measure it. The rails of a railway lines, the opposite edges of a ruler, a ladder are all examples of parallel lines. So there are some of the examples of parallel lines. Now just keep it in mind that the parallel line PQ is written as PQ parallel to RS. This is a symbol which is used for a parallel line. This symbol is used for a parallel line. So here you can see the example of a parallel line, which is the rails of a railway line, which all are equidistant from each other with no common points, and they do not even meet each other. And next line is concurrent lines. Three or more lines in a plane are concurrent if all of them passes through the same point. Here you can see that there are many points L, M, N, O. There are 4 lines which all are crossing each other, and they all are meeting each other in the same points, which is P. So such lines are called concurrent lines. The point is called the point of concurrence of the given line. Here the point P is a point of concurrence. Let's look at the example. Here you can see that there is a picture of a table where the stand of a table is made up of wood, and is actually, they have used the concept of concurrent lines because there are 3 lines and they all are meeting in one single point. Now Our next topic is collinear points. Three or more points in a plane are said to be collinear if all of them lie on the same line. Here you can see that there are many points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 points and they all are lying on the same line. So such type of points, when they lie on the when three or more points they are lying on the same plane, they are known as collinear points. And this line is called line of collinearity. Here you can see that there are some of the balls where the ball A So here you can see that there are many apples which are arranged, and you can see that the apple A, B and C, they all are lying in the same line. So these apples A, B, C are here as a collinear points, and this line is line of collinearity. Thank you. Now, our other building block is a ray. A line segment extend endlessly in one direction is called a ray. Firstly, you all know very well that a ray, for a line segment, we have 2 points which is joint. But now here for the ray, we have to extend only from one direction. Now it's a ray. Ray AB is denoted as AB with a line and arrow from one side, and ray BA is represented as BA and a line with an arrow. Now just keep in mind that these two ray are different. If we are extending it from the B, we will write as AB and a arrow mark on the top, and if we extend it from the point A, it will be as BA. A ray has one end point, as from one side it is extended endlessly, so from there it's not possible to have any point, so we have left with only one point, that is A. Now here you can see the sun rays, which is an example of a ray.